Yes, we're not
that one there.
I see you on the
And that one there.
I put me in that class.
Let us see. The mean is in their habitats. Hi guys, so it is Wednesday and I'm up. So yes guys, I'm up at pretty much about 7 thereabouts. If you guys have not watched my clothing video, yeah, I finished that 2 weeks. However, we're continuing with our exercise, so we're up and we start at 7:30. So today should be a pretty busy day. I have exercise and I have a group meeting, I think. Yeah, I have a group meeting. Then I'm gonna help one of my coworkers move into her house. She's moving, so I'm gonna help her. And then I don't know, well, it depends still, because right now I'm not feeling the best. I don't know if it's corona. I'm kind of scared, but I don't think so though. I think it's my sinus because I haven't been taking my allergy pills. So when I eat breakfast today, I'm gonna take that. If I don't feel any better, then I'm gonna have to, you know, not go because I don't want to get people sick. So yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna get outside and get exercising. And no guys, I haven't made my bed, so yay me. Bye guys. Hi guys, morning. So I'm back to vlogging because I said, you know, it is September. I cannot be vlogging in my month. So today is the 2nd of September and yeah, the day is gloomy-ish. Yeah, it's like 7:30 something or 7:45 now, and the day is just looking like it's gonna rain. So I'm still not better. I'm still sick ish. Yeah. So mostly what I have right now is just a cough, and you know, sometimes the stuffy nose because of my, what's that called, my sinus. Yeah. So yes, see all this come back up because I stopped putting something on it. Yeah, but guys, it has been a rough time. I've been feeling weak mostly, so half of the things them just upon pause, exercise upon pause. Yesterday we tried to do exercise, but it wasn't as much, and I don't think we're gonna be doing it today either, so I don't know. But yes guys, tomorrow is general election here in Jamaica. Will I be voting? I don't know. I don't know. You don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I want to vote. I'm just not in the mood. I'm not feeling it. I really just don't want to go. My sister want to go, but I, on the other hand, don't want to go. So yeah, if I do go and vote, I'll show you guys what over there looks like. Cause you know I can't show you what's inside when I'm voting, but yeah, show you as much. So I'll carry my phone. I could vlog on that. So yeah, but that's that.
You ever see your people in with them dirty ear?
What's happened?
Stop it.
Guys, it's, what do you call it, election day, and we're going to vote. I'm gonna vote for your purple party. You what I mean, a purple. Okay, I'll show it. No, Jesus. Anyway, so we're going over to vote now. Yeah, Have my ID and all this stuff. I'm not showing my ID, I'm going too up. I'm too fast. Can't show them my face. See there? But not nice. I look like rain. I will fall and Shanika carry me out here. It's set to rain. Alright guys, I voted. Shan, show your finger. Hey. Some people just got exercise them right.
Early days, 7 boxes of 102. Valerie Robertson has 278. Daryl Vaz 235.
Both, but maybe more from Canada at this point in time. The number of boxes.
Yeah.
We are awaiting our results.
One of the things with this constituency is that the PNP is very strong in brown stuff. So you have
Peter Phillips said, and I quote, if he lose, he must step down. And if you lose,
St. Andrew, East Central. Yes, that's Peter Phillips' constituency, the leader of the opposition. We're seeing here just a few boxes.
65 to price 3,569 and that.
Hi guys, good morning. So it is Sunday and we are gonna go to church. Yeah, but we're kind of late, going in a few. Yeah, I'm dead. But yeah, we're gonna go to church now. We're ready and everything, just had a little delay, so we're gonna go to church now. Yes guys, we're gonna head out now. Hey boo. We're heading out to church. Hello.
so we are happy that we know the Holy Spirit, and so we are.
They don't like me. Huh? What did I do? Tell the camera that you're going to sue me. I'm trying to sue this girl. Oh God.
When I be big camera.
Still love her. Taylor. Hi. What's up, girly?
Yeah, I'm running back.
Man, go home, people. Excuse me. Thank you. Guys, it's home time. We're good. I like
Get thing here, miss.
Hi, Mom.
How you get thing here?
Miss Pinky.
Hmm?
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, Milton.
Hi, Kay.
How you doing?
Good.
Yes, finally you saw something to the camera, Shadi. Jesus is coming very soon. I'm here.
Yes, and just in time to happen with those pots you brought.
I never burn no pot.
Tell the camera how you don't like your own child.
Hi, Carl. I love you too. She probably wear a pretty clothes and Smith down.
And do what?
Smith down.
Yeah. I need to continue putting the thing on my chin because this is what's happening. Yeah, it don't come off. when I put the cream on it, it burns, so that's why I hardly put it on. But yeah, I shaved my eyebrows today. They look much better. Good morning, guys, and welcome to Monday's vlog. Hey, sister.
Dun dun dun.
Yes, guys. So
today on our channel we're going to be looking at bun and cheese. Spell bun.
BUN.
Spell cheese.
CHE. Oh god. Hello. This is what. Hello. I know. I'm going to tell you. This is what not being at work does to a person, you know? Yes, guys. So we're feeling much better. That's why we're giving trouble now. Yes, and you know that's why the vlog start back and all these things. Shani, well, we still a cough. We still have coughs and so, but we're feeling much better, right, Shania? Yes. We're not as weak again. So yeah. So don't know how we're doing today at all. Shall we plan to do today?
No.
When I know neither.
Oh, we shall go on NCIST class.
Shall watch NCIS. Okay, fine.
Or some show.
Or some show. Well, me feel like I've from Owen Tovia just get me in the mood for animated shows the other day, so I might watch some. No, I have a computer screen big enough like a TV. Not yourself. So yes, guys, that's what we might do today. I'm hungry. We'll see you guys later. Bye.